Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you on the topic Dhatavaha. Dhatavaha means what? Verb. Okay, children? See here. Lat lakaraha. Lat lakaraha means present tense. In Sanskrit we say Vartamana kalaha, present tense. Then Anya Purushaha. Anya Purushaha means what? Prathama Purushaha. Prathama Purushaha means what? Prathama Purushaha means third person. Okay, children? Then see here. Yeshaha kaha asti. Yeshaha kaha asti means what? Who is he? Yeshaha kaha asti. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? Yeshaha janaha asti. He is a man. He is a man. Janaha kim karoti? What the person is doing? What this person is doing? Janaha kim karoti? Janaha khadati. This man is eating. See here. This man is eating, right? See here. This man is eating. Okay, children? Now listen carefully. Yeshaha kaha asti? Who is he? Yeshaha janaha asti. He is a man. Janaha kim karoti? What this person is doing? Janaha khadati. He is eating. Okay, children? Then the second one. See here. Yeshaha kaha asti? Yeshaha kaha asti? What is this? What is this? See here. Yeshaha kaha asti? What is this? What is this? Yeshaha gajaha asti? This is an elephant. Yeshaha gajaha asti? This is an elephant. Elephant. Gajaha kim karoti? What is the elephant doing? Gajaha kandukena kridati. The elephant is playing with a ball. Okay, children? What the elephant is doing? The elephant is playing with a ball. The elephant is playing with a ball. Okay, children? Listen carefully. Yeshaha kaha asti? You say the answer. Yes, right. Yeshaha gajaha asti. Yeshaha gajaha kim karoti? Gajaha kandukena kridati. The elephant is playing with a ball. Okay, children? Then the next example. See here. Yeshaha. See the picture. Yeshaha kaha asti? Who is he? See here. Yeshaha kaha asti? Who is he? Yeshaha balakaha asti? He is a boy. Balakah kim karoti? What the boy is doing? Balakah patati. This boy is reading. Okay, children. Now I say in Sanskrit, you say in English. Okay. Yeshah kaha asti? Yes. Who is he? Yeshah balakah asti. He is a boy. Balakah kim karoti? What is this boy doing? What the boy is doing? Balakah pathati. The boy is reading. Okay, children. Then the next one. Yeshah kaha asti? What is this? Yeshah kaha asti? What is this? Yeshah ashvaha asti. This is a horse. Yeshah ashvaha asti. This is a horse. Then what they are asking? Ashvaha kim karoti? What the horse is doing? What the horse is doing? Ashvaha dhavati. Dhavati means what? To run. Ashvaha dhavati means what? Horse is running. Horse is running. See here. Okay, children. So listen carefully. Yeshah kaha asti? You say the answer. Yes. Yeshah ashvaha asti. Ashvaha kim karoti? You say the answer. Ashvaha dhavati. Okay, children. Then the next example. Yeshah kaha asti? Yeshah kaha asti? What is this? Yeshah mayuraha asti. This is a peacock. Mayuraha kim karoti? What the peacock is doing here? Mayuraha nrityati. Peacock is dancing. Okay, children. Listen carefully. I repeat one more time. See here. Yeshah kaha asti? Yeshah mayuraha asti. Mayuraha means what? Peacock. This is a peacock. Mayuraha kim karoti? What the peacock is doing? Mayuraha nrityati. Peacock is dancing. Okay, children. Then the next one. See here. Now I will teach you some exercises. Balakaha kim karoti? What the boy is doing? You say the answer. Yeah, you say. Yes. Balakaha pathati. What we have to write? Balakaha pathati. Okay, children. In this picture, the boy is reading, right? So you have to write Balakaha pathati. Then the second question, Gajaha kim karoti? What the elephant is doing? Yes, you are right. Gajaha kandukena kridati. Gajaha kandukena kridati. Kridati. Gajaha kim karoti? Gajaha kandukena kridati. Then the next one, see here, Kukkuraha kim karoti? This is Kukkuraha, dog, right? Kukkuraha kim karoti? Kukkuraha kurdati. Kukkuraha dhavati. It is running, right? The dog is running, right? So, see here, you have to write Kukkuraha कुक्कुरः धावति. Okay, children. Then Vanaraha kim karoti? Vanaraha kim karoti means what? What the monkey is doing? Vanaraha kurdati. See here. Vanaraha kurdati. The monkey is jumping. Okay, children. So see here, balakaha kim karoti? Balakaha pathati. Gajaha kim karoti? Gajaha kandukena kridati. The elephant is playing with a ball. Then kukkuraha kim karoti? Kukkuraha dhavati. The dog is running. Then vanaraha kim karoti? What the monkey is doing? Vanaraha, monkey is jumping. Okay, children. Now I will teach you why they have given lat lakaraha. Lat lakaraha means what? In present tense. Okay, children. See here. Asti. The word asti belongs to what? Present tense. Latlakaraha prathama purushaha ekavachanam. Asdhatuhu asti staha santi. Okay, children. In that ekavachanam singular form is asti. Then yeshaha. We have two meanings for yeshaha. We can say he or this. Okay, children. Then kaha means what? We have two meanings. The one meaning is who and the another meaning is what. Okay, children. Yeshaha kaha asti. Then you see the answer. Yeshaha janaha asti. Yeshaha belongs to what? Yetat shabdaha Pumlingaha ekavachanam prathama vibhaktihi. Likewise, janaha belongs to what? Janaha belongs to jana shabdaha pumlingaha prathama vibhaktihi ekavachanam. Okay, children. These two are noun. This is a noun. This is a pronoun. Okay, children. Sarvanama shabdaha shabdaha. Then this one asti. Asti belongs to asdhatuhu lat lakaraha vartamana kalaha prathama purushaha ekavachanam. Okay, children. Then janaha kim kadati? Kim karoti? Janaha, the same. Jana shabdaha pumlingaha prathama vibhaktihi ekavachanam. Okay, children. Then kim belongs to? Kim shabdaha napumsakalingaha prathama vibhaktihi ekavachanam. Kim. Then the last word karoti. Karoti belongs to kr dhatuhu lat lakaraha vartamana kalaha prathama purushaha ekavachanam karoti. So, children, what you have to do is, you have to analyze which gender, which number, which case ending the word belongs to. Okay, children. I said for this paragraph, what you have to do is, you have to analyze for these yeshaha kaha, yeshaha gajaha, which lingaha, which shabdaha, which vachanam. You have to do that. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Meet you all in another session. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.